Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. If you've not been to my channel before, my name is Gail. I make things from polymer clay and then I take you through in a step-by-step tutorial fashion as to how to make things. A lot of my inspiration comes from things like Pinterest and Google. I just search for it and then I put my own spin of what I found and what I like, and then I make a tutorial. Quite often the things that I make on my channel I haven't made before, so I want to challenge myself and also show others what you can do with polymer clay and the amazing uses of it. So without further ado, this is my video about owls. So I'm going to make 3 owls today. Now the reason why I'm doing 3 owls is because I wanted to show different designs and different styles, and how even the simplest of things like using a different tool or a different style or colour of clay can make all the difference. So here we go. Okay, so this is what we're starting with today. So firstly I'm going to go through the clay. So we've got Fimo Professional and this is white. Premo Sculpey Accents and this is Blue Pearl. Then we've got Fimo Soft and this is Caramel at 7. Souffle and this is Key Lime. Fimo Effect and this is 106. Citrine Quartz. This is Fimo Effect in gold, I just don't have the packet anymore. It's got a few hairs in it though, interesting. This is Fimo Soft 16 and it's called Sunflower. Fimo Effect, this is Jade Green 506. Fimo Soft, number 43, Flesh Light. Lastly, this is Fimo Professional in black. So the tools I'll be using, 3 dotting tools. These are all of the sizes of the Sculpey Studio tools that I've got. I very rarely use this one. I use the point of this one more often, but as you can see, the ball on this is a lot bigger. Then there's a medium and then there's a small there. So there's those ones. Got myself a tissue blade as well because I'll be using that. Craft knife, and then finally you'll see this quite a bit. It's my little scoop for glitter, and then it's got a pointy end to it as well. You'll also need a small tile. Now the reason for this is because I work on a tile but I can't get this in the oven, whereas I can this size and a couple of sizes bigger. But as the project's going to be about this size, I'm going to use this. So a couple of things, it keeps me in check with the size so I know roughly how big to make it. So with all this, they're all going to be different ones. So I've got this all out. It looks a bit of a mess, but each type of clay is going to be for a different owl, and there's going to be 3 of them, as I said. So here we go.
Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
Thanks for watching the tutorial. So I'm going to show you what the owls look like now. And we're going to have to do them one at a time because there's no way I'm going to hold all these three up together. I have tried and it's kind of dangerous. So here's the first one. Right, so he is really cute. I loved his face, and to be honest, the colours, because they were so different, and I never thought of making an owl out of a yellowy sort of colour, I really liked him, and he's got almost a sort of a cross-eyed sort of look, but which I just thought was really cute. So that was him, and he is a little smaller than the others. So here's the next one. I really liked him, and the reason for that is because obviously teal, as you well know from my last video, that is my favourite colour. So highlighting him with the mica powder in the green I really liked, and I didn't do it all over because it gave more of the impression of feathers, which I thought was really sweet. And then obviously he's got a good stare on him, which is obviously what owls do. So yeah, I mean, he's a lot bigger, but these are all going to be fridge magnets, and you'll know from watching my channel that I like a good big fridge magnet. So here's the second one. I really enjoyed making him, so that was fun. So the next one, and I have to say he is my favourite, and this is this one. Now, I don't know what it is about his look, but I just found it so cute. His eyes, as you can see here, are really deep, and they just, I don't know, it's something about his colouring maybe, or something like that. I just absolutely love him. So number 3 is my favourite. Let me know in the comments down below what you think is your favourite. And I'd like to have a bit of a vote, to be honest. So number 3 is my favourite. I don't know what it is about him. I think it's the colouring and the fact that he's sort of got this dead sort of stare look as well, and I just think he's really cute. So this is how you create owls from polymer clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Oh, got an itchy nose. Do we start again? Do we start again? Touch these and more, I'm getting glitter on everything. For what now? For what now? Hang on. Oh, I swear. So I'm gonna make 3 owls today, and this is gonna I'm just gonna pick up my face while I'm doing my just. And this is all to do with what? I don't know. Because I want you to see how different owls can look. How different owls can look. Wow, that's really clever. And this is because I want to show how different. Oh my goodness me! How different things look. How different looks. Does different look different?